Guys, in this quick video, I'll show you how to add a Target gift card to your Apple Wallet for easy access. So this will actually make your checkout even faster and keeping your gift card stored digitally on your iPhone. So I want to explain you something first before we actually start. While you can directly add the Target gift card to Apple Wallet, the Target app wallet integrates with Apple Pay for a seamless checkout experience. I want to show you just how you can do that, okay? So first things first, guys, you want to open the Target app, okay? Start by downloading the Target app from the App Store if you don't already have it installed. Open the app and sign into your Target account, right? Do that. And then what you want to do is you want to go to Wallet, okay? At the bottom of the Target app, just tap on the wallet icon. This is where all your digital cards, like gift cards, will be stored within the Target app. So what you want to do, guys, in the wallet section, you just want to tap add payment or add a gift card, and then you want to enter the gift card number and the access code from your physical or e-gift card. Then you want to just tap save to add it to your account. Then, guys, you just want to use it with Apple Wallet. So while Target gift cards can't be directly added to Apple Wallet like some other cards, you can use the Target app wallet with Apple Pay. So you just want to open your Target wallet at the checkout, and when paying, you can use Apple Pay for any remaining balance alongside the gift card. Okay? So this is a bonus tip, okay? To make it easier, you can just take a screenshot of your Target Wallet gift card barcode. You can just save this as an image to photos for easy scanning if the Target app is actually slow or unavailable, guys. And that's it, guys. So as I explained, while you can't directly add the Target gift card to the Apple Wallet, the Target app wallet integrates with Apple Pay for a seamless checkout experience, guys. So if the video helped you out, guys, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick tips. Thanks for watching and happy shopping at Target, guys. Go smash that subscribe button, guys. Come on.